Imagine a world where your entire social media presence is automated, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can harness AI to completely automate your social media management, increasing your engagement and freeing up your time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up an AI-driven system that posts content, engages with your audience, and analyzes performance, all automatically. Now let's start with the problem. Managing social media is time-consuming. From creating content to engaging with followers, it can sap hours from your day. And with the rapid pace of social media trends, staying relevant is a challenge. This is where AI comes in. The solution? Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite have integrated AI features to schedule posts and provide insights. But the real game changer is using AI content generators like OpenAI's GPT-4 to create text posts and Canva for AI-driven graphic design. Here's how you do it. First, use ChatGPT for generating post ideas and captions. Simply enter some keywords related to your content, and it'll produce a list of engaging captions and post ideas. Next, take these ideas and use Canva's AI tools to generate visually stunning graphics that match your brand's aesthetic. Once you've got your content, it's time to automate posting. Platforms like Zapier allow you to set up workflows that automatically post content on a schedule you define. For example, connect your Canva designs and captions from ChatGPT through Zapier to your social media accounts. It's like having a team of content creators working around the clock. Now this is where it gets interesting. Engagement. AI tools like Sprout Social can automatically reply to comments and messages, freeing you from the constant need to check in. Set up Sprout Social to recognize common customer inquiries and generate instant personalized responses. Here's the part nobody talks about: analytics. Using AI analytics tools like Social Bakers, you can gain insights into what content works best and adjust your strategy accordingly. It tracks engagement metrics, identifies trends, and suggests improvements, so you're always ahead. But here's what most people miss: consistency. AI can help ensure your brand's voice is consistent across all platforms. Tools like Grammarly's Tone Detector ensure your messaging stays on brand no matter who's creating the content. Common mistakes? Many people underestimate the setup time. While AI automates processes, initial configuration requires careful thought and alignment with your brand goals. Skipping this step can lead to off-brand messaging. In summary, you've learned how to leverage AI to automate content creation, posting, engagement, and analytics in your social media strategy. This doesn't just save you time, it enhances your brand's presence and efficiency. Before you go, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment with your biggest social media pain point. Follow at HES4JI on X and Instagram for daily AI tips. And if you want these AI automations built for you, DM at HES4JI directly. We're open to new projects and ready to help you transform your digital presence.